What if I told you the race to build superhuman AI isn't being won by who you think? Right now, five giants are sprinting toward AGI, the kind of AI that can think and reason like humans, maybe even better. Google's been quietly building for decades. OpenAI is moving at lightning speed. Elon's xAI is throwing unlimited money at the problem. China's open source community is improving everything faster than expected. And Anthropic, they're playing a completely different game. Only one will get there first, and whoever does controls the future. So let's break down who's actually closest and why the answer might surprise you. Let's start with Google DeepMind. These guys didn't just join the AI race, they built the track everyone's running on. Back in 2017, Google researchers published Attention is All You Need, introducing the transformer architecture that powers ChatGPT, Claude, and basically every AI you've heard of. They invented the engine everyone else uses. Then there's AlphaGo, which beat the world champion at Go in 2016, a game more complex than chess by billions of moves. AlphaFold solved protein folding, a 50-year-old problem, predicting protein structures that are now helping develop new medicines. But here's their real advantage. Google built TPUs, custom AI chips, while everyone begs NVIDIA for GPUs. They control the entire stack from hardware to software. Plus, they own YouTube, Gmail, Google Search, Android. Billions of users generating trillions of data points daily. No one else has that data advantage. DeepMind focuses on fundamental research, asking how to make AI actually reason and plan. They might not ship flashy products every month, but when they release something, it's groundbreaking. OpenAI dropped ChatGPT in November 2022 and broke the internet. 100 million users in 2 months. That's the fastest app adoption in history. Netflix took 3.5 years. OpenAI did it in 60 days. What makes them dangerous? They move ridiculously fast. While Google publishes papers, OpenAI drops new models constantly. GPT-4, GPT-4 Turbo, GPT-4o, iterating at a scary pace. They've got millions of developers building on their API. This creates a feedback loop. More users means more data. More data means better models. Better models mean more users. Plus, Sam Altman knows how to raise money. Microsoft's backing them with billions. Their real advantage? They build products people actually use. ChatGPT, DALLE, Codex. Every conversation and image generated feeds data back into their systems. This startup mentality is both their biggest strength and biggest risk. Then there's xAI, Elon's wildcard you can't ignore. Elon knows how to scale infrastructure fast. He built Tesla's gigafactories and made SpaceX rockets reusable. Now he's applying that intensity to AI. xAI built a supercomputer with 100,000 GPUs in months. Most companies take years. They launched Grok with real-time access to X. That's 500 million tweets daily of fresh human interaction. They iterate faster than anyone, not worried about papers or peer reviews, just building, testing, breaking, rebuilding. And here's the sneaky part. Imagine Grok integrated into Tesla's self-driving cars, learning from millions of vehicles. Imagine it connected to Neuralink eventually. Elon's building an ecosystem with xAI in the center. Here's where most people aren't paying attention. China's open source AI community is absolutely crushing it. Chinese companies are releasing open weight models that rival GPT-4, DeepSeek, Qwen, Yi, getting downloaded millions of times. The crazy part? They're doing it with way less compute. Chinese researchers are finding insanely efficient training methods. While OpenAI spends 100 million training a model, Chinese labs achieve similar results for 1/10 of the cost. Every time a Western company releases new tech, Chinese researchers study it, optimize it, and release an open version within weeks. Because these models are open, thousands of developers worldwide improve them daily. China's approach is opposite to the West. Release everything, let the world improve it, move faster than anyone can keep up. They're not building one perfect model, they're building dozens and letting evolution happen at scale. And it's working. Anthropic was founded by former OpenAI researchers focused on AI safety. But they're not just researching safety, they're building AGI with safety baked in. Claude is known for being helpful and honest, but behind the scenes, Anthropic's working on getting AI to do complex, multi-step tasks autonomously. Real work. Writing code, managing projects, conducting research, making decisions. They've published research on constitutional AI, teaching models to follow principles and make decisions based on values. They're working on interpretability, understanding what's happening inside these neural networks so we can trust them. Their challenge? Way less compute than Google or OpenAI, so they're getting clever, focusing on efficiency, doing more with less. Sometimes constraints breed innovation. When you can't just scale up, you have to find better algorithms and architectures. Here's the truth, we don't know. Anyone claiming they know for sure is lying. Google has the deepest research and best infrastructure. If AGI needs breakthrough science, bet on them. OpenAI has speed and momentum. If AGI is about rapid iteration, they could win. xAI has resources and moves faster than everyone. China has efficiency and volume. Anthropic has the automation and safety focus. But here's what I think. AGI won't come from one company's breakthrough. It will be a combination. One figures out reasoning, another cracks planning, someone else solves training efficiency, then someone puts all the pieces together. The race isn't linear. It's 5 people solving different parts of the same puzzle. We won't know who's closest until someone suddenly has all the pieces. What we do know, a GI is coming, whether in 2 years or 10, and whoever builds it first reshapes the entire world. Subscribe for more such videos and click on bell icon to get updated.